If you're seeing the Base44 error while processing your message, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try right away. This is usually a simple issue, and in many cases you can resolve it without any advanced troubleshooting. So if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, try a hard refresh in your browser. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. This forces the page to reload completely and can clear out temporary display issues or stuck session data that may be causing the error. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent browser refresh shortcut to fully reload the page. After the refresh, go back and try sending your message again. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is simplify your prompt. Sometimes the message is just too large or too complex for the system to process properly. Break your request into smaller parts instead of sending everything at once. For example, split one big task into a few shorter prompts and test each one separately. This can reduce processing errors and help the message go through more smoothly. If you're still having trouble, log out of your account completely, then log back in. A fresh sign-in can reset the session and fix temporary account-related issues that may be triggering the Base44 error. Once you log back in, try the same action again and see if the message processes normally. So to recap, first do a hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5, then simplify your prompts by breaking large requests into smaller parts, and if needed, log out and log back in. Those 3 steps solve this issue in most cases. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.